The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Kaufman County in north-central Texas, southwestern Van Zandt County in north-central Texas, northwestern Henderson County in central Texas, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Grays Prairie, or 8 miles south of Kaufman, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Seagoville, Athens, Kaufman, Gun Barrel City, Maybank, Crandall, Blackhawk, Toole, Combine, 7 Points, Camp, Eustis, Trinidad, Grays Prairie, Enchanted Oaks, Caney City, Cottonwood, Curtis Creek State Park, Paint Springs, and Log Cabin. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 487 and 488. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.